Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Debank Portfolio Overview. Debank is a powerful platform that allows you to track and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio across multiple wallets and exchanges. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to get the most out of Debank Portfolio Overview. First, you need to connect your wallets and exchanges to Debank. This can be done by clicking on the Add Account button and selecting the wallet or exchange you want to connect. You will be prompted to enter your wallet address or exchange API key to complete the connection. Once you have connected your wallets and exchanges, you will be taken to the Portfolio Overview page. This page provides a comprehensive overview of your cryptocurrency holdings, including the total value of your portfolio and the distribution of your assets. The Portfolio Overview page is divided into several sections. The top section displays your total portfolio value and the percentage change over the last 24 hours. Below this, you will see a list of all your assets, including the amount you hold and the current value. You can also use the filter and sort functions to customize the view of your portfolio. For example, you can filter by asset type or sort by value to quickly identify your most valuable holdings. Another key feature of Debank Portfolio Overview is the ability to track your portfolio performance over time. The platform provides a range of metrics, including profit and loss percentage and return on investment. You can use these metrics to evaluate the performance of your portfolio and make informed decisions about your investments. In addition to tracking your portfolio performance, Debank also provides alerts and notifications to keep you informed about market movements and changes to your portfolio. You can customize these alerts to suit your needs and stay up to date with the latest market developments. To get the most out of Debank Portfolio Overview, it is essential to keep your wallet and exchange connections up to date. This will ensure that your portfolio overview is accurate and reflects the current value of your assets. In conclusion, Debank Portfolio Overview is a powerful tool for tracking and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use Debank to gain a deeper understanding of your portfolio and make informed decisions about your investments. Remember to keep your connections up to date and use the filter and sort functions to customize your view of your portfolio. With Debank Portfolio Overview, you can take control of your cryptocurrency investments and achieve your financial goals.